Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Pooja and today I'm creating this sunset inspired makeup look. This eye makeup is a mix of different colors and they blend together so well and create this nice gradient. Your blending game has to be strong for this one because we are using all matte shades to create this eye makeup and any harsh lines will kill the vibe. If you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting any more time, let me show you how it's done. Starting off with primer, I'm gonna go with my Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. It's a silicone based primer and it reduces the appearance of pores. I'm concentrating mostly on my T-zone and whatever is left on my fingers, spreading it on my face. To prime my eyes, I'm using Makeup Studio's Face It foundation and applying it over my eyes to create a base for my shadows. To avoid the concealer from creasing, I'm applying a loose powder on it. For my eyeshadow today, I'm going with NYX Ultimate Brights palette. First, I'm taking these two yellow shades and applying them at transition line. Love this palette, it has all the colors which I'll be using today. I'm layering the yellows until I'm satisfied with the intensity. Then I'm taking that orange shade and applying at my crease, blending it with the yellows. To complete the eye look, I'm gonna take this MAC Fuchsia pink shade and apply on my lid. First I'm depositing the color and then blending the harsh edges. For my foundation today, I'm gonna use Fit Me from Maybelline. This has such a beautiful formula, it doesn't feel like you have anything on your face. For concealing, I'm going with LA Girl Pro Conceal and applying it under my eyes, around my lips and on the bridge of my nose. Then for setting everything in place, I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender, dip it in powder and apply it on the concealed areas. I'm using a powder brush to brush off the excess. For my brows, I'm using Swiss Beauty Eyebrow Definer. First I'm filling in my brows and then outlining them. With the help of a spoolie, I'm making sure that the product is evenly distributed and not clumped at one place. Then I'm putting on a pair of false lashes. I'm going with Benefit Gold Rush for my blush today and I apply it on my cheeks for that nice flush of color. For bronzing my face, I'm using Pro Contour and Highlight palette from NYX and applying it on the hollows of my cheeks, at my jawline and on my forehead. And then I'm blending it with a large stippling brush. For brightening this eye look, I'm gonna use a white kajal in my waterline. Now I'm gonna define my lower lash line and for that I'm using the same shades which I used on the top of my eyes. Next I'm using this colossal black mascara from Maybelline and I'm coating my top and bottom lashes from it. For that sun-kissed glow, I'm using Master Chrome from Maybelline and applying it on the bridge of my nose, cheekbones, cupid's bow, brow bones and inner corners. For lining my lips, I'm taking that lip liner from NYX, which is a beautiful pink nude color. For my lipstick, I'm first gonna fill in my lips with this fuchsia pink shade from Maybelline and then adding a hint of brown nude from MAC to give it a touch of nude. Also, it looks a little subtle and goes well with the eye makeup. At last, to set everything, I'm using MAC Fixer in Gold Light and spritzing it over my face. And that is it guys, this is my sunset inspired makeup tutorial. It is super easy to recreate and I have used minimal shades to create this. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did then please give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel before you leave. I'll see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.